What's up, pranksters? Welcome back to another fun Nextraker video. And again, I know currently most of you guys are in quarantine or lockdown, so no one is really attending school at the moment. But oh well, I'm still gonna show you guys 5 creative ways to sneak your favorite food and candy into class using very basic school supplies. The best part is that you will not get caught, nor will you starve in class while you're trying to learn. But hey, before we get started with these, I'm happy to announce that we did reach a like goal on a previous video, and that like goal was 3,000 likes. So therefore, I will be giving away a slime kit to one of my subscribers. Congratulations, Isaac Solis! You were chosen as the winner of a slime making kit. Now guys, if you want to be a winner just like Isaac Solis, here are the giveaways for this video. If this video gets 3,000 likes, I will give away another slime making kit. At 5,000 likes, the winner will get a box full of yummy snacks, and at 12,000 likes, the winner will get a brand new PlayStation 4 plus $100 so you can buy whatever games or accessories you want. And to participate in these giveaways, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me what you missed the least about going to school. Also guys, I'd really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping to get 2 million subscribers sometime this year. So again guys, to enter these giveaways, just like and comment on this video. Best of luck guys. Now let's get these hacks going. Check it out. Before I get started with this first hack, I want to let you guys know that I got all of these school supplies from the dollar store. It was actually Dollar Tree that I went to. And this hack will require the use of a magnetic tin, some Tootsie Rolls, which come in this little container. It's actually a reusable bank. Basically, once you're done eating up all the Tootsie Rolls that are in there, you can use this as a bank, basically to store your loose coins. And we're also gonna need some paper clips to throw off our teacher. And as you can see right here, I have a cutout which will hide the fact that this is a Tootsie Roll container. So basically guys, when I was at the dollar store, I saw this. And what really caught my attention was the fact that the lid is see-through. The rest is made out of tin, but the lid is made out of plastic. It's got like a little plastic window and you can see right in there. Also guys, it's the same size as the container of Tootsie Rolls, so it would slide right in and it will be quite snug and it would stay in there. So if you like Tootsie Rolls, you can either sneak these into class, but I don't really like these because they're not really that good. All I'm interested in is the actual container. So I'm gonna get rid of the Tootsie Rolls. We don't need these. And inside I'm gonna fill it up with something I do wanna eat while I'm in class. And that is some mini Chips Ahoy. So I'm gonna open these up and I'm gonna dump them all into this other container. And pretty much I emptied out the whole cup. I left the gap here, as you can see there's space because I need that space for my tin can. So I'll set these aside. And as far as the tin can, you guys can fill it in with any school supply available, any little thing. And of course, like I said, I'm gonna be using some paper clips. And these are multicolored, which make it even better. Let's dump them in there, as many as we can fit. Try to cover the bottom completely, that way nobody can see what's underneath. Basically at this point, instead of creating a false bottom, we're creating a false top. So let's put the lid back on. And see guys, you can't see the bottom anymore through the little window. So now we're gonna take the tin can and place it on top of the Tootsie Roll container, like so. And that's how it should look at this point. Of course, we don't want the logo and the little graphics of the Tootsie Roll to be shown. So we're gonna cover these up with some construction paper. And we're just gonna wrap it around till you can't see it anymore. And some clear tape should hold everything together. And I have some handy right here. Just like that. It should stay in place. And on it, since we are dealing with paper clips, I'm gonna write paper clips on the side. Alright, it says paper clips on there. And at this point, we are done, guys. If you put this in your backpack and take it out and leave it on top of your desk, from your teacher's point of view, which will be a bird's eye view, clearly the paper clips are visible. So there's nothing to question, especially if it says paper clips on there. So guys, there's nothing to worry about when it comes to this. Just keep this handy on top of your desk. When you get hungry, just pull out the whole tin can and your mini Chips Ahoy will be available to you and you can enjoy these while in class, which are really good guys. And if you need to cover your tracks, again, just put the tin can back in there. If your teacher comes over and says, hey, Did I see you pull out some food from there? You tell them, no, it was just a paper clip, and then you open up the top, and there are your paper clips right there. A lot of them, by the way. So, again, close this up. When your teacher leaves, pull out the whole tin can, and there's your snack that you can enjoy so you won't be hungry in class. When it comes to eating in class, you always want to have the best meals, and honestly, the biggest meals as well. So right here, guys, I went to Taco Bell. I got a bag right here, and inside I got some food. Let's start off with some dessert. Here I have some cinnamon twists. These are really good, and they're only $1, which is a steal. This right here is a soft taco. So you can see right there, soft taco. Also $1. And yeah, guys, I went cheap on this meal because I also got me a bean and rice burrito, which, yeah, you guessed it, it's another $1. But that's fine, $3, that's perfect. I want to sneak these into class because I'm starving. So while at the dollar store, I looked for the biggest school supplies container that I could find, and this one was perfect. It even says on there, it's a storage container, and it can pass off as a school supply. Now, what I don't like is the lid, which you can undo the latch and pop off, but it's a little bit see-through if you pay attention to it quite enough. So if you were to stare at it, you could actually make out what's in there, and we don't want that, right? So we're gonna cover this up, and I actually found some glitter paper, which is perfect for this, guys. And I don't know what goes with red. I'm thinking blue. So let's pull it out. That should be able to cover the whole lid. I'm gonna cut it to size and then stick it on here. Luckily, this is like a big giant sticker, guys, so I just have to undo the paper and it'll stick on. There's the sticker that I'm just gonna peel and stick on. That is perfect. Look at that. You can't even tell. Now you can't see right through this lid. Now let's open it up, and inside, let's fill it up with our food. I have my taco here, which honestly, I'm just gonna open it up so I have easy access to it. Also my burrito, I will lay it in there. And I gotta make room for my cinnamon twists. And here I have a little bit of space, which I will try to cram a juice pouch in there, a Kool-Aid jammer. And that is it, guys. Let's close this up. And we got our food in there. See, if somebody asks, just tell them, hey, I got a bunch of supplies in here. Nothing to see. But when you get hungry, all you gotta do is lift up the lid and look at all that food that's available there for you. You got a drink, you got the main course, and then you got some dessert. These are really good, actually. Anyway, guys, you will not starve if you happen to get yourself a giant container like this one. Obviously, I put some Taco Bell in there, but what would you guys put in such a large container that you knew you were not gonna get caught by using in class? What I have right here is a plastic Easter egg. And by the time you watch this video, Easter would have already happened. But it doesn't mean that these are not common during Easter season, either before or after. So, you might have gotten this from somebody and you want to keep this on your desk, right? And nobody should be able to pop this open but you, because this is your egg. So, you can use one of these around Easter season to actually sneak some candy into class. And my choice of candy will be Peeps, because why not, guys? These are so appropriate for Easter. I'm actually gonna try to fit all of these Peeps into this egg. It says here that there are 5 little chicks in there. So let's see if they can all fit inside this egg. And there they are, guys, our chicks, or Peeps, whatever you want to call them. Well, I'm gonna cram them all inside this egg. Honestly, guys, I'm sure I could fit 5 more Peeps in here. So I'm gonna close up my egg, and that is it. You keep this on your desk during Easter season, and nobody should be able to say anything. But when you get that sweet tooth going on, you might want to pop this open and reach in for a Peep, like I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna separate these siblings, and I'm gonna enjoy this Peep. See, guys, just took a bite out of it. Enjoy. Check it out, guys. This container right here, I got it at Walmart, and believe it or not, this was in the school supply section. Although you might think that this would be a kitchen item because it looks like Tupperware and it looks like you would store food in here. But no, guys, this actually pops out and it's little containers that are in there, and they're all different colors. And like I said, no, you can't put food in here, or at least they're not meant for food. They're meant for school supplies, such as little paper clips, erasers, pencil grips, anything small. But we are gonna use it for food, for our benefit, at least for this video. So I like the fact that these are different colors, which will come in handy. And these come in a larger container, and it holds all 4 of those little containers. So it has latches on the side, so that they pop in and out. Now as far as these, I'm gonna fill them up with some snacks, which will include some lemon heads, Reese's Pieces, some Trolleys, and some Oreos. So each one is gonna have a different snack. This first one, I'm gonna fill up with some Reese's Pieces. Alright, that amount will do. It's actually more than half. So I'll put the lid back on, and there are my Reese's Pieces. Now my lemon heads. Now some Trolleys. That'll do. And last but not least, some Oreos. I think I can actually fit 3 in there. That works for me. So again, we have the Oreos, we have the lemon heads, we have the Reese's Pieces, and we got the Trolleys. As you can see right here, guys, if our teacher walked by and they looked down on our desk, they would easily be able to spot our candy because the lids on here are see-through. You can see that the candy's there, and the best way to cover our tracks is to use a sticky note. So all you do is place 1 per container, for example here, and I'm gonna just try to cover the transparent part. And don't worry though, because we will be cutting these out to size, so they won't look weird at all. Now all we do is take a cutting tool and then cut out the excess parts that stick out. Looks really good, right? So we'll do the same to the other ones, and we're gonna label each one. For example here, more paper clips, erasers, push pins, and for this one, I'm just gonna write coins. Alright. Again, you can't see the top. You can't see what's inside. You can't see the sides. They're not transparent. So now we're gonna take our mini containers and put them back in the big container. That works. We'll put the cover on, latch it on, and that is it. If our teacher spots this on our desk, he or she would know that it's just nothing but school supplies. But for us, we know that it's not school supplies. So when we get hungry, what do? We pop off the top, and then whichever you're craving, go for it, guys. Just remember which one is which. For example, I know that coins happens to be the Oreos because I remember that it was green. So again, if you're craving something else, just grab it. Whoa, this one popped out. I'm gonna enjoy this. And then if the teacher comes over, I'll just close it up and nothing to see here.
Hey, what's up guys? Fatal checking in. And for this one, I have a sour pacifier pop, like you see here. Now this is flavor strawberry, I don't know, maybe. And this is a retractable key holder, as you guys can see here. Also, I have a paper clip. I also have my favorite backpack. It's a Minion. And we'll get to that in a second. But what you want to do first, guys, take your pacifier out of this wrapper. Alright, notice that it has a plastic cap on top of it. This is probably for its protection, so no flies get on it or whatnot. So next, what we want to do is take our key holder and we're going to attach this to one of the backpack straps. Just like that, guys. The retractable key holder is ready. Next, you want to take your paper clip and you want to attach it to the little ring on the key holder. Once you have done this, you can connect your pacifier to the key holder. We want to keep our lid on there for our protection. All right, now that's set, guys. Check it out. It looks like a little ornament of some sort, and nobody will really think much of this, right? But if you're in class or you're walking to your class, you put your backpack on just like this. And instead of holding this the whole time like a lollipop, you just walk around and say you wanna taste some of your lollipop. You just grab it, take off the little cap, and just pull on it, and it retracts back if you need to hide it. There you go. Yum. Tastes good, guys. And then once you're done with it, you just put your cap back on, and it'll go back in its place like nothing ever happened. So it's pretty simple to do, guys. All you need is either a pacifier like I have here or a lollipop. and something retractable, like a retractable key holder like I have here. This is a flashy one, but at the 99-cent store you can get the dollar ones that are a little bit smaller but come with the same thing.
There you guys have it. 5 creative ways that you can sneak your favorite snacks and candy into class using very basic school supplies without getting caught. Now guys, at the start of this video, I gave away a slime making kit and I also announced 3 new giveaways. At 3,000 likes, I will be giving away another slime making kit. At 5,000 likes, a box of snacks will be up for grabs. And at 12,000 likes, not only will the winner get a brand new PlayStation 4, but I will also throw in $100. So if you wish to participate in these giveaways, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. I really hope we reach those like goals. Good luck pranksters, I'll see you guys in my next video, thanks for watching.